Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? Hey, man, it's your boy, Mark Jimmy, man. Back with another video, man. Back posting a lot more frequently. Back with the good stuff, man. Back with the, dang. Anyways, let me stop playing, you guys. So, I got you guys an update. I know y'all see the title. Y'all think something crazy going on. But to be honest, you guys, I'm just going to tell a nice little quick story. Last thing you guys seen was that my supercharger overheated. So, I ended up getting it fixed at the shop. So, they took care of it and everything like I told you guys. And then after that, bro, a few days later, tell me why, bro. Tell me why. Oh my God. Tell me why after a few freaking days, man, the damn pump went out again. And when I tell you I'm fuming, I was mad, bro. I was like, nah, we can't have this no more. Nah, we can't have this no more. Nope. What's going on? I need a new pump. So anyways, you guys, your boy Mark Jimmy, he had to use the brains, man. He had to use the brains. The Whipple supercharger kit came with a manual. So I got to see the whole breakdown. So I went to the part with the fuse, the intercooler pump, all that stuff, right? So when I did that, I found out some very shocking news. This supercharger kit and that intercooler pump, they literally pre-assigned it to have a 10 amp fuse. So with this intercooler pump, it's demanding 8.2 amps and the fuse is only 10 amps. So do the math, you know what I'm saying? You got a wiggle room of about what? 1.8 amps? That's not good. So with that being said, and as you're gonna see right now, when I took the fuse out of the inline fuse holder, that 10 amp fuse, it was charred, it had burn marks all on the little prongs. And I was like, okay, this fuse is burning out. So in my head, I was like, you know what? What if I take the same size fuse, but just at a higher amp? I can get this same fuse, but get it a 15 amp. So then I was like, let me phone a friend. So I called a tech over at Whipple and he actually confirmed my findings. So you know what I did? Went over to freaking Advanced Auto Parts, went and got a 15 amp fuse. And I threw that bad boy in there and guess what? Turn that freaking accessory power on and we was rocking and rolling. Yeah, we was good, man. So I'm excited, bro. The car is back. Man, I went through that freaking manual and was found everything I need to find. I know I got my legs out. I'm sorry, y'all, man. I know y'all see the shirt. I know y'all see the glasses. The same vibe going on, you know? But anyways, you guys, man, I ain't gonna hold you up too long. I just wanna let you guys know that's what's going on, bro. We are back. We got everything rocking and rolling, man. So you guys, be on the lookout, man. We're getting ready to hit 3,000 subscribers. Can y'all believe that? I know I said that in the last video or like a couple videos ago. But anyways, you guys, I'm glad my car is okay, man. We're no longer riding around with those high temps. We got the stronger fuse in there. This intercool pump is working. We ain't gotta worry about anything overheating. You know what I'm saying? Loss of power, throwing out the timing of the motor. But listen, you guys, I need y'all to stay tuned, man. I'm only gonna grow as much as y'all allow me to, man. So if y'all can, like, share, subscribe, man. If you have not already, man, follow me on my Instagram, bro. Mark Jimmy on all platforms, okay? Stay tuned, man. We got a lot of stuff coming. Anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for clicking on here, man. From the bottom of my heart, man. It's Mark Jimmy, you guys. And I'm out this thing, bro. Yeah.